Hello friends! In this video, I will guide you through how to fix slow download speeds in Windows 11 to optimize your internet connection. To begin, close any proxy or VPNs running in the background and go to the taskbar to right-click on unnecessary applications like Epic Games and Google Drive, then click Exit to close them. Next, go to the Start menu, right-click on it, and click on Settings. Then navigate to Network and click on Wi-Fi. Show available networks. Select your network and ensure metered connection is turned off. If the issue persists, go to the search bar, type Control Panel, and click on it. Then navigate to Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Double-click on your network, click on Properties, TCP/IPv4, Properties, and copy the DNS server addresses 8.8.4.4. Close all windows, go to the search bar, type CMD, run as administrator, type ipconfig/flush DNS, and hit Enter. Type Exit and click Enter to complete the process. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.